Today for your all's lesson, you guys are learning about middle sounds and how to change them to make a new word. So you're going to watch a video where she gives lots of examples of changing the middle sound to make a new word, and also she goes over what CVC means. For your assignment, when you're done watching the video, there are words on this slide. What I want you to do is write the words on your paper. So using pencil and paper, write the words, and then there are sounds that are missing, and I want you to fill in the missing sounds. Some of them are beginning, middle, or end sounds. So this picture right here has a variation of missing letters, but these pictures over here are only missing middle letters. So I want you to write the words on your paper and fill in the missing letters. I'll do an example for you. So this one, we see a picture of a rag and a rug. So we're going to write the word rag and find out the missing letter, and then we're going to change it to the word rug. And you're going to write these on your paper, and then you're going to upload a picture of your work. So for example, we see a rag, so we can write the word rag. R-A-A. We know that middle letter is missing. What could it be? What vowel could it be? R-A-A. An A. Rag. And we need to change that word to the word rug. We know it's missing its middle sound. What missing sound is it? Middle sound is it missing? What vowel says It's a U. So we changed the word rag to the word rug, and we had to find the missing middle sound. So that is what you guys are going to do today with the words that you see on the slide. I want you to write them on your paper, fill in the missing letters, and then upload a picture of your work.